All right, so I'm going to perform some functional tests that is going to be what the physical therapist will have the patient perform in order for the patient to return to play. In the instance of the patient that we did a case study on, was he'll return to play as the basketball referee. So there's going to be 4 functional tests. I will explain all 4 of them, and then what the patient will have to do. So the first one is going to be single hop distance. So the patient's going to be on a single leg and hop as far as he can for distance, and then the total distance will be measured with the affected leg, and then you will compare it to the unaffected leg, and you'll multiply that by 100. And then for the second test, it's going to be a single leg 6 meters. So you'll line up a tape 6 meters and have the patient do single hop as fast as they can, 6 meters, and they will do that on the affected side and measure the total distance. And then they will do the unaffected side and measure the total distance for that one as well. And you will multiply that by 100. And then the third test you're going to do is going to be a single hop, 3 hops, as far as the patient can hop. So they will go 1, 2, 3, and then the patient will do that on the affected side, and you'll take the total distance for that one, and do it on the uninvolved side, and take the distance for that one, and you will take the involved side and divide it by the contralateral side, and you'll multiply that by 100. And then the last functional test that you will do is going to be the crossover. So the patient will start on one side of the line here, single leg, and they will cross over 3 times. And they will do that for both legs. And you will take the total distance for that as well. And you will multiply that by 100. So in the end, you will want to make sure that the patient on the involved side has 80% more strength than on the contralateral side, so that the patient can return to play and go back to either playing or working.